इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of muzaffar, also known as vermicelli dessert. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients you will need: water 1.5 cup, sugar 1.5 cup, vermicelli 113 gram, clarified butter half cup, green cardamom 6, almonds 1/4 cup chopped, pistachio 1/4 cup chopped, raisin 1/4 cup, roux quebra essence, saffron and khoya. Now take water in a saucepan. Then break 3 green cardamoms and add their seeds into water. Then add sugar and a pinch of saffron and mix it until sugar gets completely dissolved. Then bring it to boil. Then turn off flame and sugar syrup is ready. Now take clarified butter in a wok and add seeds of 3 green cardamoms. Then add broken vermicelli in warm clarified butter and saute it on medium heat. And be careful while sauteing it because vermicelli get burned really quickly and easily. Now it has changed its color, so very carefully add sugar syrup into it and keep stirring it. Then add 2 drops of roux quebra essence. Again mix it. After 5 minutes, I am adding raisin, then mix it again and keep cooking it on medium heat. Then add chopped almonds and chopped pistachio and mix it and keep cooking it until sugar syrup gets completely absorbed by vermicelli. Now it is ready, so I am dishing it out. Then garnish it with khoya, chopped pistachio, and almonds. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.